In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add header code to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to add the header code. Once you're in the editor, click Settings from the top menu. In the left sidebar, select SEO to open your website's search engine optimization settings. Scroll down until you find the header code field. This section lets you add code that will load inside the is less than head is greater than section of every page on your website. Copy the code you want to use, such as a Google Analytics tag, Google Search Console verification tag, metapixel, or another custom script. Paste the entire code into the header code box, making sure it isn't missing any characters. After adding the code, click Save to apply your changes. If your website isn't already published, click Publish so the new header code goes live. You can then verify that your tracking or verification code is working by returning to the service that provided the code and following its verification steps. That's how to add header code to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.